All right, it's the 25th of June, and this is the rants from the car video for today. Today's trading session, guys, was awesome. It was, I'd say, like an average kind of trading session that we had. So awesome means profit, right? Basically a makeup for yesterday. Yesterday's session really sucked. I lost $1,000 yesterday. If you watched the VIP live from the 24th, we had 3 people on today's live out of 18 or 19 that were there. 3 people said they blew their account yesterday, meaning, this is so important, guys. This video here is going to be so important for you, meaning that they need to think about their risk management, okay? And this is it here. So if you go to the class, go to the course, go to, I forget what day it is. I think it's day 4. So there's a chart there that shows you your lot size that you should be using for your trades, okay? It's my like recommended lot size, and pretty much if you follow it, you're not going to blow your account. It'd be, you know, it's almost like, I don't want to say impossible, but to blow your account one day, you'd have to be doing some like seriously shenanigans kind of thing. I basically, in that, the image that's in that lesson, it's like a gold and white image, and it has the lot sizes in it. My recommended lot size is, like, if you're trading on a 50K account for an A+ setup, and this is what happens when you don't go through the entire course, guys, and then you start trading, is you don't get all the information you need. And you know, I'm not saying these people that failed their test phases didn't go all the way through the course. I don't know, maybe they did, maybe they didn't. But if you don't go through the course, then you won't know some really, really important stuff. Listening to me just say buy and sell, the odds are you're going to make money if you do that, but on a bad day, you'd have a really bad day. Like, for instance, I lost $1,000, which is half of my drawdown that I'm available to lose. Is I can lose 2,000 in a day, and I lost 1,000. So for me, it's like a couple days I'll be back to where I was. For the person that isn't using proper risk management and they've almost lost their account, or they've blown their account, blowing your account, you basically, I'd recommend go back to paper trading and paper trade for a couple days. And then when you build your confidence back up, oh, there's an ambulance. Wait for that guy to go, yeah. Wait a couple days, or wait till your confidence is back, and then go and get a test phase again. That's what I recommend you do. I don't recommend you just go and buy a test phase right away after you fail a test phase. You know, you need to give yourself time to like reflect upon what went wrong. Like, what did, you know, I hate to say this, but what did you do wrong, right? You're the one clicking the button. What did you do wrong? After listening to the 3 people on today's webinar, this is what I think went wrong. So I think this video is going to help out a lot of people. Is they didn't have their lot sizing proper. They're using one lot size for every single trade they're doing. So when I'm saying, hey, this is a high risk trade, this is a very, very high risk trade, this is an A+ setup, they're not using the proper lot size for the trade I'm calling, right? They're just using maybe 5 lots for every trade during the session, treating every trade like an A+ setup. I think that's good content to think about, because I know some people watching this video, they're gonna be like, holy shit, I use the same lot size for every single trade that I'm in. I don't treat the trade as, you know, that everything is, every trade is different. And you'll learn this by going through the course, guys, is you'll understand what is an A+ setup, what is a very high risk trade, what is a very, very high risk trade. You'll see I call them, I don't call them A+ setup, a B trade and a C trade. That's like if you go to learn institutional trading, they call it A+ setup, a B trade and a C trade. It's easier to understand if it's A+ setup, because everyone knows an A+ is great, right? That's what you want. And then a high risk trade is easy to understand. It's like, oh, there's some risk involved. And then a very, very high risk trade is like, oh, do I even want to take that, right? So yeah, go look for the lesson, and there's a image in it. And just viewing that image, I'll put it in the first comment below this video. Viewing that image, you'll understand what I'm talking about. And I think that some people, that's the you know, why you would blow your account in one day. I think that's the issue, is they're just not changing their lot size depending on what kind of trade is it, right? Like, sure, if it's an A+ setup, go in with what you want. If it's a very, very high risk trade, then you need to think, like, should I even take this trade? Okay, if I'm going to take this trade, and I understand it's a very high risk trade because all the confirmations are not lining up, on that trade, like you're going long and it's below the VWAP or whatever type thing, then you think, okay, it's very, very high risk. Do I want to go in here with 7 lots or 5 lots or whatever? No, I want to either not take the trade or go in with 1 lot. Okay, so that's it for me today. A little bit of a different video, but we had a great day today, so that's good. See ya. Bye-bye.